Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2005 Honda VTX1300S. This is the spoke wheel model with the long classic fenders, beautiful metallic red finish. This bike is gorgeous. Chrome is in beautiful shape. It's got running lights, engine guard, floorboards, and wait till you hear that awesome slash cut Vance and Hines. 1300 cc's liquid cooled shaft drive. We got a heel toe shifter on here. This is a really cool bike. Come on by, make your big bore cruiser dreams come true for just $47.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.